Hey, hi. This is the whole entire test bed for the project we're going to work on. So I'm just going to give you a brief idea of what is there on, what are the equipment we're going to deal with, and what are you going to remember, what you should remember as you walk along and you work along with us. So the first and foremost thing, you need to have your safety glasses put on. So it's always right there at the entrance of it. So just put on your safety glasses. You should not be compromising on your safety anymore because we've been dealing with robots and all. As long as you're very familiar with it, even you're familiar with it, you should not ever take your safety glasses out of your eye. And then over here, this is your under test bed. As you can see, these are the conveyors you have over here. Okay. Can you hear me? Okay. And then there are two robots. These are the two FANUC robots. We're gonna use them, and there's one EVP. We're not using them, using it currently. We might as well, we might use it in the future. So, and then for each robot, you have two CNCs, and these are actually designated. Once you get into learning about the entire test bed, you're gonna, identify them as cell 3, cell 4, and all. And this one robot over here, and there's another robot over here. Again, you have two CNCs, and this is pretty much it. And then this is the HMI, this human machine interaction, where you actually control the speeds of the conveyors, and then how exactly the whole manufacturing test bed is operating, you can actually get from this. So this is the go to overview screen. So this basically this HMI actually showing you what's exactly on the test bed. And then yeah, so if you go to cell 1 screen, so this is your cell 1 screen. So it basically shows you that there's a robot over here. This is your CNCs which have been identified. This is these two CNCs, and it shows you how many parts are good, the rejected parts. And then we are basically dealing with RFIDs, which we're going to talk about it later, what an RFID sensors and all. So, and then you have your conveyors up over here. And then again, if you just click over here, it just takes you to whichever screen you want to. And this is your cell 2 screen. Again, the same configuration. You have a robot, two CNCs, and your conveyor, which is basically telling you what exactly are those. Okay, now this is your cell 3 screen, and then this is your VFD screen. If you do know what a VFD is, it basically regulates the speed of the motors. So indirectly it regulates how faster your conveyors have to operate. Right, so if you want to adjust any of these, you press on those blocks and then you start them, and then as you can see, the conveyor just starts. And then you can adjust the speed by clicking on over here and then varying it. You're basically varying the frequency, and as you can see, it just increases its speed. So but then before starting any of these conveyors, just make sure that there's no particles on it, there's no equipment, there's no parts on it, so that you don't damage the conveyors as such. Okay, so just make sure whatever you do, just have a presence of mind what's happening around. And then this is your valve screen. So these basically these are the cylinders over here. It basically stops your product when it's coming in. Once you get over here, you will get to know what exactly are all this. So this is a basic introduction of what is there on the manufacturing test bed and what you actually have to expect out of it. And then if you want to see those things, those are the PLCs. You want to look at those? Oh yeah, sorry. So yeah, those are the PLCs, which is basically the controlling part of the entire test bed. And yeah, you have your pneumatic connections. Those are the main supply for the entire test bed. So those two right in between, if you just pull them down, the air supply comes in, and these are your and these are for the robot. These are for the robot to control the air supply for the robot. And that's all for the introduction of the manufacturing test bed.